Foreign enterprises remain adamant in ramping up investment in the Chinese market, as the immense potential in economic vitality and consumption backed by an optimized COVID response strengthened their confidence in the world's second-largest economy. 26 Photonics Incorporated in East China's Fuzhou City is one of the 3 global headquarters of Coherent Corporation, an American company that develops, manufactures, and supports laser equipment and related specialty components. A senior officer of Coherent Corporation said that China's high-quality development direction and policies have opened up a huge space for the company's development, adding that the company will continue to enhance its overall strength in China.
在中国的北京、上海、苏州、广州、深圳、福州、无锡、武汉等8个城市，一共有13500名员工，占了整个全球员工的46%。中国正在实现经济商转型，这为我们这样的高科技公司创造了很多机会。我们公司上周刚刚公布了本季度的预测，从预测来讲，这个季度相当于去年的第一季度还是有大幅度的增长。在2023年，我们有信心持续增长。
Data released by China's Ministry of Commerce show that foreign direct investment in the Chinese mainland in actual use expanded 6.3% year-on-year to 1.23 trillion yuan in 2022.